What is up, YouTube? This your boy Magi, and we're back with another video. This time it's a different type of video. It's basically kind of like a how-to video, sorta. Here's the story. I went out to ride the bike, the Grom clone, by the way. Went out to ride the Grom clone sometime earlier this week and noticed that my engine bolt had broke, which is a very common problem with those. And I haven't been breaking any at all since I swapped to the 190, but I finally broke one. And I'm like almost like 1,500 miles in, so not bad, but still sucks that I always have to keep replacing that bolt. The problem with the video is, this is the problem, man. Like, this is the major problem with the video. This is the last time I'm ever recording any video whatsoever with this camera. This camera sucks. You guys probably are not gonna like that content because it's very, very unclear and it sounds horrible, but I apologize for that, guys. It's really nasty sounding and it looks ugly only because this is a cheap piece of you know what. And for some reason, I didn't use the external mic that came with it, and this video is paying for it. So please, 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 please forgive me. I am doing some giveaways. My giveaways will consist of t-shirts, stickers, in the future, hats, hoodies, socks even. Also doing bike giveaway. So this spring I'm going to be getting a project bike to build on, and you guys are going to watch the whole process of me building on that. I'm going to give that away to some lucky viewer, fan, whoever deserves it, you know. And I'm going to be doing a Patreon account. So once that do start, you would have to be my Patreon account to, you know, participate in it. Because basically I'm going to do, you know, you donate $5 and you automatically go into the drawing. It'll give you like 5. If you spend $5, that's 5 spots. Spend $10, that's 10 spots. And all that money will go towards that project and possibly future projects, because I know the first project, of course, I'm pretty much gonna have to fund myself. And I have no one backing me up on this. I don't have any funding for any of this stuff. I'm literally doing this stuff with what I got. So I hope you guys appreciate that. And appreciate that, you know, I just do this because I love it and I appreciate it. So hope you guys enjoy the video and the content that I'm giving you guys today. I will have more videos soon, so please stay tuned, and please give me a thumbs up and a subscription if you are not already, because man, you don't want to miss out on the future of my channel.
What's up, guys? We got the Grom out. I tried to take off on it the other day, and I had a problem. Engine bolt break, if you guys can see it. Yep. So these bikes is notorious for it. And in case anybody wants to know how to change one, silly me, man. I forgot something really important. I can't get it off yet because we have to come over to this side right here, take off that sprocket cover so that we can get to the other side to put the bolt on. Sorry, I didn't mention that, and I actually forgot about it, but we're going to go ahead and get that out of the way too. So let's get to that. About to put this on in there, well, on there, tighten it up so I can get all this stuff back equipped on there. So I had to pop the bushel thing off to get to it, but that's the new bolt, so you guys can see it a lot better. That's the new bolt. You just have to pull this bushel back to it. Gonna put the bolt on there. yo. I finished it all up. Got my exhaust back on strongly. Got that bolt fixed, if you can see it right there. And everything else is dialed in. Put everything back together on this side. It's real dirty. Got oil everywhere. But this bad boy is pretty much, this is the first time I started it in a long time. First push. Ooh, it's cold. So that thing is pretty loud and beastly. That was the first start in a long time. It was pretty cold, but it warmed up fast once I put the choke on. And I think I'm about to go for a ride.